Hello students, let's continue with the chapter Statistics. Today we are going to learn about graphical representation of data, bar graph. A bar graph is a pictorial representation of data in which usually bars of uniform width are drawn with equal spacing between them on one axis, say the x-axis, depicting the variable. The values of the variable are shown on the other axis, say the y-axis, and the heights of the bars depend on the values of the variable. Now let's discuss one question. This is the third question of exercise 14.3. Given below are the seats won by different political parties in the polling outcomes of a state assembly elections. Table is given here. Political party A, B, C, D, E and F. Seats won A 75, B 55, C 37, D 29, E 10, F 37. Draw a bar graph to represent the polling results. Second part of the question, which political party won the maximum number of seats? So first of all, we will draw the bar graph. So on a graph paper, first of all, we will draw the x-axis and y-axis. And on x-axis, we will represent political party, and on y-axis, we will represent seats won. So on y-axis, I am taking the scale. 1 unit is equal to 10 seats. So this is 0 and here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80. Because our maximum value is 75, so we will take till 80. Now, we will draw the rectangles now. First, political party A won 75 seats. So we have to leave equal space between the rectangles. So we will start the first rectangle from here. Political party A, that is height will be 75. So 75 till here you have to take the height of the rectangle. So first rectangle will be like this. Political party A 75. Next, political party B won 55 seats. So next rectangle we will start from here, that is political party B. Height will be 55. This is 50 and this is 55. So like that we can draw other rectangles also. Political party C won 37 seats, so height will be 37. Political party D won 29 seats, so the height of the rectangle will be 29. Political party E won 10 seats, so the height of the rectangle will be 10. And political party F won 37 seats, so height of the rectangle will be 37. So like that you have to draw the bar graph. Next part of the question is, which political party won the maximum number of seats? So in this graph, the height of the first rectangle is maximum, that is 75. So the answer will be political party A won the maximum number of seats. So you can write the answer, political party A. Now let's discuss first question of exercise 14.3. A survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between the ages 15 to 44 in years worldwide found the following figures in percent. So table is given, causes and female fatality rate in percentage. Reproductive health conditions 31.8, neuropsychiatric conditions 25.4, injuries 12.4, cardiovascular conditions 4.3, respiratory conditions 4.1, other causes 22. Now first part of the question is, represent the information given above graphically. Second, which condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? Third part, try to find out any two factors which play a major role in the cause in second part, above being major cause. So first part of the question is, represent the information given above graphically. That means we have to draw the bar graph for this. So on a graph paper, first of all, we'll draw the x-axis and y-axis. On x-axis, I'll represent the causes, and on y-axis, I'll represent the female fatality rate. So on y-axis, I have taken the scale as 1 unit is equal to 10%. Now, so reproductive health condition is 31.8%. So first rectangle we'll draw here, and the height will be 31.8. So that will come between 31 and 32. Next, neuropsychiatric conditions, the percentage is 25.4. So it will, the height of the rectangle will be 25.4. It will come between 25 and 26. Next is injuries, 12.4%. That is, the height of the rectangle will be 12.4. That will come between 12 and 13. Next, cardiovascular conditions, 4.3. So height of the rectangle will be 4.3. It will also come between 4 and 5. Next, respiratory conditions, 4.1%. That is, the height of the rectangle will be 4.1. It will also come between 4 and 5. Next, other causes, 22. That is, the height of the rectangle will be 22. Like that, you have to draw the bar graph for this. Second part of the question is, which condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? See the graph here. This rectangle has maximum height 31.8. So the reproductive health condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide. So you can write this cause. Now, third part of the question is, try to find out any two factors which play a major role in the cause, that is reproductive health condition. So you can write many factors. Two factors I have written here, that is lack of medical facilities and lack of correct knowledge of treatment. Now this is your homework for today. Do exercise 14.3, question number 1 to 3, and that's all for today. Thank you.